Are you tired of wheel cleaners that leave you scrubbing endlessly? I'll show you the best wheel cleaner to melt stubborn brake dust fast and get that pro level shine. Plus, I'll include key tips to avoid beginner mistakes. Okay, first, pre-treat the area around the wheel to protect against chemical overspray. For the best tire shine results and durability, apply a dedicated tire cleaner like P&S Undressed directly to a dry tire. Do not rinse first. I'm scrubbing with an old detail bore hairs brush, but use any solid tire brush for this job. Rinse thoroughly until suds are completely gone. Using a cleaner like this will save you time versus weaker APCs that simply don't work. There are two top picks, and in detailing, you should not rely on just one. For maintenance and light brake dust, P&S Brake Buster is my go-to as the best wheel cleaner. It's safe, effective, and great for wheels cleaned regularly. But for heavy buildup or neglected wheels, the best wheel cleaner is Superior Products Wire Wheel Cleaner. It's acidic and strong, so wear gloves and a respirator. Let it dwell for 1 to 2 minutes, but keep it wet, respray as needed so it never dries. This is critical to avoid damage. After dwell, agitate with a wheel brush like the Speedmaster, then rinse immediately and thoroughly. Flash rust is normal on brake rotors and it comes off after driving. It's great on painted or clear coated factory wheels, but never use on raw aluminum or anodized finishes. To avoid any damage with strong chemicals like this, I like to work in the cool shade early in the morning. Make sure to thoroughly rinse the wheel and tire. Before scrubbing, I respray with a rinseless wash at 64:1. This adds lubrication and helps neutralize leftover acidic or alkaline residue to avoid any etching or streaking issues. Next, grab a soft boar hairs detailing brush and dunk it into your rinseless solution or car wash shampoo bucket. Target areas like lug nuts, tight crevices, and if you're lucky enough to have red Brembo brake calipers like this Camaro SS, gently clean those too. Then switch to a premium microfiber towel. I'm using a 300 GSM edgeless, tagless towel from the Rag Company, dampened in the same wash solution. Fold it into quarters to maximize cleaning surfaces and carefully wipe down the wheel face and inner barrel. This helps remove any remaining brake dust without scratching, especially critical on black gloss or matte wheels. Remember the pre-wash step in the very beginning? That's what allowed this level of safe, detailed cleaning that delivers premium results. Now don't forget to wipe down your tire as well. You'd be surprised what's still left behind, which can also still affect the bond of the tire gel or tire shine. I'm also rinsing off the rinseless wash too, so it doesn't interfere with the bond of my tire shine. Make sure the tire is completely dry before applying tire shine, as moisture can affect the bond. For efficiency, I use a Tornador air compressor tool. It's great for speeding up the drying process on wheels and tires. It's not a must-have, but great for anyone looking to have the best tools and solutions on hand. I apply Meguiar's hyper dressing by brushing it on with an old detail brush. I don't spray it directly because overspray can drift onto your paint and leave specks. Hyper dressing doesn't sling and won't splatter all over your car while driving. It's water-based and easier to remove or reapply during washes. It's also super concentrated when bought in bulk. You can dilute it from a natural finish to a high gloss. When applying a quick spray wax afterwards, just simply wipe off excess with a microfiber and move on. Optimum Car Wax Spray is a simple, high-quality option for UV protection. My sprayer misfired here, but the process is easy. Spray evenly, wipe immediately, then buff off any excess with a dry towel. And that's it. I'm Alan with Highlands Auto Detailing. Thanks for watching. If you got any value from this video and you learned something new about cleaning wheels and tires, make sure to hit the like button, drop a comment, and subscribe for more simplified, straight to the point detailing videos.